go back to our topic where we were. That was registration. Okay, registration under GST, where we were dealing with section 22 to 30, which talks about registration, and we did few questions also based on that. Now only few are left out. Let us finish those questions as well. I think ये सारे questions हो गए थे, if I'm not wrong. ये हरिद्वार वाला दोनों क्वेश्चन हो गया था ना. Even question number 8 was done. Why here the limit is 30,000 only. And one more thing, as you know, those 9 states. So please go to the website and try to get which are the important cities on Uttarakhand or Sikkim or in fact entire India, because you may not be in a position to get to know whether the limit will be 40 or the limit will be 20 or whether it will be interstate, intrastate. So important cities of India you should aware. Okay, and that these all cities I have got it from Google only and frame for your questions. Okay, of course not the, देखो यहाँ पे corrections नहीं हुआ है. This will be Nainital only ना. It's very important that you should aware about those important, at least few important cities of all states. Okay. Now go to question number 9 and get me your answer. Mr. CMA Manish, an unregistered person under GST, has place of profession in Bhubaneswar. Now this you should know, that is situated in Odisha, supplies the taxable services to Infosys. A registered person under GST Bangalore. Answer the following. Is it interstate supply or intrastate supply? Tell me. Tell me the answer of first question. Interstate supply or intrastate supply? Thank you, Payal, for your answer. What about remaining? Thank you, Santosh. What about remaining student? So out of 45, only 2 have understood. Why it will be considered as interstate? Payal and Santosh, can you answer that? Why it will be considered as interstate, not intrastate? That is why I wanted you all to have this idea of geographical map. Yet, which are these 2 states? Which are these 2 states? So important cities of India you should aware. Okay. Last time I have collected the detail. यहीं से मैंने उठाया था. Important cities of Uttarakhand. Yeah, very right answer, Santosh. It was Karnataka and Orissa. यहीं से ये सारे मैंने उठाए थे. अभी अल्मोड़ा we were very rarely knowing. देहरादून किधर आता है? जब तक आपको ये सारी चीजें नहीं पता रहेगी, it will be very tough for you to answer the question of DST or attempt those question of DST. So it's very important that we should aware. और चलो ये सारी जो ठीक है. What about the cities which are there in Seven Sister or northeastern state? मेघालय का बहुत सारे cities आपको हमको किसी को पता नहीं. Like Manipur, Tripura. Even I am not very much familiar with those cities' name. ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे तो how you will be able to handle those questions. So for that it is very important. अभी भी मैंने पूछा, nobody were knowing that Bangalore कौन से city कौन से state में और भुवनेश्वर कौन से state में, other than one or two students. So Bhubaneswar is there in Orissa, whereas Bangalore is there in Karnataka. That is why it is interstate. Who is liable to pay GST? If CMA money's turnover is previous year only 18 lakhs, then who will be liable to pay GST? Whether CMA Manish or Infosys Limited? Yes. Thank you, Santosh, for your answer. See, others are not participating. Hardly 4-5 student is participating. Rest just merely coming for the attendance. But it is going to be very tough for you guys in days to come. चलो लिखो. No, beta, it's not destination because he is only registered. और वो तो register होगा ही नहीं because his turnover is only 18 lakhs. All the explanation are there. Kindly take down. What about other student other than Payal? No one has responded yet. Thank you, Santosh. मुझे लगता है मैं दो ही बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ always. So as you have seen, here also यहाँ पे हमको correction करना पड़ेगा. They have asked who is liable to pay GST. Infosys Limited. And Mr. C will not be liable since registration is not mandatory to him. Okay. Then let us go to next. Is it done? Please do it. Thank you, Pooja and Shruti. Okay. Now go to next. Question number 10. Do it with your own and get me your answers. In fact, what changes will take place if this 18 will become 48 lakhs? Thank you, Chandrika, for your answer. Thank you, Santosh, for your answer. Yes, but you are partly correct. Thank you, Payal, for your answer. Thank you, Rutuja, for your answer. But all of you have given only part answer. Remaining part is yet to be done. There are two questions, rather two sub questions. Payal and Santosh both has given me the answer, but they are not correct answers. Just see where and you are making errors. Very correct, Payal. I hope you must have realized where you were going wrong. So now you have rectified your answer. So others also please take down where you must be doing errors. Because it is 48 lakhs, more than 40 lakhs. Limit is 40 lakhs. Thank you, Pooja, for your answer.